Cleanaway Pet Recycling in Norrköping, south of Stockholm, recycles used PET bottles. The DST Dehumidifier RF122R is installed here. Ensuring that plastic doesn't yellow and that odours don't linger places special demands on the dehumidifier.
We have a dehumidifier there to produce very warm air, 200 degrees, and very dry air, it's minus 40 degrees dew point. So it's a special made unit for this application.
PET recycling requires a dew point as low as minus 40 degrees Celsius, and thereafter the dry air will be warmed up to plus 200 degrees. Why does it need to be so dry?
It's very difficult to take out taste from PET because it's adsorbed things. And to take away the taste you need to heat it up to 200 degrees. And if you heat up without humidifying, you will have a yellow PET bottle or plastic bits, which is not good. So you need to dehumidify and heat up.
So the special thing with this dehumidifier?
The low dew point and the heat. It's not so common that the customer wants warm air.
Before the PET bottles are crushed and heated up, they are washed in lye. This is how the end product looks. Granular.